Hi everybody, welcome back to the last card in this month's card class. Thank you so much for following along. This final card is actually my favourite of all five, and I really like the simplicity of it all. I love the embossed background, and I really like just using these 4 strips of the DSP. Just looks really, really nice on the card. So for this card you're going to need all your pieces pre-cut. If you haven't purchased the kit or the measurement guide already, you can still purchase it for a small fee. Just get in touch and I will arrange for you to do that. So we're going to start with our card base. We're using soft succulent card, this lovely minty green colour. I think I'm actually warming to it more than I do mint macaron, which is my all-time favourite colour. We've got our embossed layer in the same colour, and that's embossed with the quatrefoil tile embossing folder that is within this suite. So when you purchase the suite you get the DSP, the stamp set, the punch and this embossing folder. And I love that Stampin' Up now offer different things in their suite, so they're really versatile, all the different sets, and I love that you can buy them all together or you can buy them separately. So I've got my piece of white for inside, like so. And then we have our 4 strips of DSP, and I've gone for varying different patterns. You can mix these up, you can add them in any order that you wish, and you can change them. I'm going to add my first piece, my top piece first, and I'm going to just roll that top corner over just to give it a little bit of extra detail. And all of these pieces are being stuck down flat. So this is going to go roughly in the centre, about 1.5 inches from the top. Try and get it straight, Stacey. I have. And then all you're going to do is just follow that piece down. I've not left a gap. I've placed it so that it juts up directly against that top piece. And then I'm just moving them along a little bit, so you've got different sort of start and end points. So they're not all in line with one another. That's it. This is a great way to use up scraps. We need to create our sentiment now. So where's my white card that I had here a moment ago? You can tell it's the last video now because my desk now resembles a bomb site. So I'm going to stamp my outline in soft succulent. I think I last used navy, so I'm just going to give that a little wipe. And then we've got Happy Birthday. I'm going to stamp that in Night of Navy. I think I originally used Evening Evergreen, but I'm going to use Navy. Happy Birthday. And there's our punch. Line that up. And that is going to be stuck down with some pads. I'm just going to stick that in the middle, and then that is going down about there. And then what I have here is I have 2 flowers that I've already cut out. I'm going to snip this one off a little bit, like so. So that's just going to slide down underneath. And then this one I'm going to do, so I can either use this piece here that I've cut off, or if it's not big enough, I can use this one here. So I am going to use this one. And there we have it. That is card number 5 all complete. It concludes our card class, so thank you so much for following along. I will be releasing details of September's card class in the next few days, and it will be my first Christmas class of 2022. I do hope you can join me. There'll be options to have it in a kit form, you will have options to add in product, and you'll have options to purchase just the measurement guide with the videos. So I do hope to see some of you on next month's class. If you have any questions, please get in touch, and if you like what you see, just hit subscribe and you'll see future tutorials from me popping up in your inbox. So have a great day. Bye for now, everyone.